Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make another cool Lego sniper rifle. So there are the pieces that you need. This piece, missile piece thing, lightsaber piece, megaphone, and cylinder. So what you wanna do is grab the cylinder piece, the megaphone piece, then put it just like this. Then grab your cylinder piece, put it like that. Grab the missile piece and put it like that. Then grab your lightsaber piece, put it like that, and there you go. Another cool Lego sniper rifle. So, yep. Rate, comment, and subscribe.